Hi, my name is Howard Solomon. I'm with Solomon Leaders. We are a hospitality company. We mainly focus on leadership coaching and CEO executive coaching, but we also delve into the consulting world to help people grow and develop their brands. And also, we've done a lot of work clearly in the past 3 to 4 months in helping businesses pivot and maneuver during this very unprecedented and uncertain times of the coronavirus. Yelp is another platform out there that is an amazing tool for restaurants to help grow their business. I was obviously around when Yelp started, and it came into play that it was a very negative thing, that people, would complain and say bad things about you, and restaurant operators would say they don't know what they're talking about, and it became this very contentious kind of frustration out there for restaurant owners. But once restaurant owners began to realize what an important tool it was, and how if they change their mindset, they can actually make it be a huge benefit to them. And since we really don't have the ability during this unprecedented time to actually engage with our guests, Yelp is a great way to engage with guests. I encourage everybody to be on their Yelp page every day. I encourage people to respond to guest comments, whether it's a 4-star or a 5-star or a 1-star, and respond to those guests. And the best thing to do is take the high road if something goes wrong and apologize. Tell them that you're there to make it right for them and to work hard, that you hear them, which is a really important thing I just want to add real quick. One of the things that I think everybody in society wants these days, especially what's going on in our world, is they just want to be heard. And honestly, I think every consumer that goes to a restaurant where things don't go right or they're not getting what they want, whether you do it or not, they just want to be heard. And Yelp is one of those platforms that allows you to be a great listener and actually engage with your guests. And I've found tremendous results with not just myself, but with all my clients, for those that really, really do a good job hopping on Yelp and responding to every guest message in a positive, driven, thoughtful, mindful manner that creates a guest connection through social media.